Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a stable foundation. Choose a 5 mm hook and worsted yarn to see the mesh clearly. Chain a multiple of 4 plus 1. This math makes the pattern repeat even. Once done, turn and skip the first chain, then place a single crochet into the next chain to anchor the edge. This simple anchor prevents stretching and gives predictable stitch placement. Make sure to keep your tension loose so the later open work reads as mesh rather than tight fabric. You now form the characteristic mesh. Chain 3, skip 3 stitches, then single crochet into the next. Repeat across the row. Doing this creates uniform open squares because the 3-chain loop acts as the top of each mesh cell. Once you establish the rhythm, check tension and count every 4 repeats to avoid drift. If the row narrows or widens, adjust by adding a tiny pull on the chains or relaxing your hand. Markers at the ends of repeats help you see and correct mistakes quickly. To finish, always end the row with a single crochet in the last stitch to form a neat edge that frames the mesh. Once your piece reaches the desired length, weave in ends and block the fabric. Blocking evens the squares and shows the true pattern. If you see rows shifting or uneven spacing, don't panic. Unravel to the last correct repeat, check your chain counts, and rework those rows slowly. This targeted riphendra stitch preserves the rest of your work and teaches you where tension went wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.